That's simple. Okay. Column from example in Power Query. Okay. Let's go to the Power Query by clicking the transform data. Okay. So if you go to add column, there is a provision of column from example. So this we are learning today. It's very funny and interesting. Okay. It's like you are asking and it will give the result, right? So let's load the data. Column from example. Okay. So first is column from example. Let's see what is there inside. Okay. Use first row as headers. Okay. So column from example. So once you click on this column from example, add column, then you will get a separate window here. Okay. It will say enter sample values to create new column. You have to enter sample value. What you want, just ask that Power BI. It will give you. For example, I want first two characters to be extracted. Okay. Then earlier we have used left function, right? With button clicks. First two characters we have extracted. Instead of that, here if you ask, it will give. It has to understand the pattern. So type CA you want, right? So type CA. Then it has understood the pattern and it extracted first two characters. Okay, Girish?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you want to extract here, just type 2018 and it will give 2018, 17, all those things. Okay? So this is column from example. So whatever you ask, it will give you. I want final six characters. Then you have to give the final six characters and it has to understand the pattern, then give the output like this. Okay. And if you want to extract CA and here, then give that, then it will understand pattern and it will give you. And CA final characters, let's see, 152, 156. It has not understood. See, then till it understood, you have to feed the values. Okay, 138, 688. Yeah, still is not understood. Here, it is giving year. Okay. Again, third you give US 108 966. See, now it understood. Right, Girish? Are you following?
Yes, yes, sir.
So till it understands, you have to supply the data. Then once it understands the pattern, then it will uses its algorithm and give the output. That is column from example. Once you finish your task, then click OK, then it will go to the new column. Okay, so it is like playing a game. Whatever you ask, it will give you. Okay, so let's see the second example in this. So different things we'll try in column from example. This is a simple example. And next example we'll see column from example merge. Okay, let's open this. Okay, so I want to merge columns using column from example. Okay, for example, three columns I want to merge with some hyphen delimiter. So let's see. 0 1 to 5 1 to 5 to 0 hyphen furniture hyphen bookcases. Okay, see, like this you can merge. This is merging columns. Okay, and similarly you can try different patterns. For example, I want only only three characters from category, let's say fur, and four characters from sun category, book, let's say book. Okay, then it has not understood. So go to second thing and do the same. For here you have to give CHAI. Now it has understood. See, still it's not understood, right? Again it is giving for here. So again you have to give here OFF. Ah, now it has understood. Okay, guys, are you following or not?
Yes, sir. I understand.
So, whatever you want, just you give the data till it understands. Sometimes, if you selected a difficult pattern, difficult complex pattern, and goes on feeding, if it is not giving, means the pattern is not feasible with your given data. You have to understand like that. Okay. For example, you have thought of some different zigzag pattern, complex pattern. Okay. And if your goes on giving the supplying the data, it is not giving your required output, means that pattern is not feasible. That's why it won't give. Okay. So whichever possible patterns only it will give you. Okay, that is merging columns using column from example. Next we'll go to the next example. Date. Okay. So let's move, use first as header, and here ABC is there, guys. So you have to, I told you, right, you have to make it date, then you will get error, because here this is more than 12. That's why you will get error, right? I told you, right? Then you have to fix it by splitting the column. I will show the error first. So this is error. So to fix this, you have to split the columns and see again convert into the date. Okay. Then go to transform and split column by delimiter. Okay, guys, like this you have to split. Then swap this like this. Again merge it, merge columns. Okay, with the delimiter, again you will give our delimiter like this. Merged column name I am putting date. Okay, so this you will make it date now, then no error. Okay, guys. So with the column from example, uh, date you have taken, so you can extract day, month, and year from the date. Okay, column from example. Let's say extract date. So it extracted the month, sorry, day. It extracted the day, right? If you want to extract a month, again you have to give the pattern. Give the one, again give one here, then all months will be extracted like this. Okay. And if you give year, then it will extract all years. It's not understood. So give again 2020. It has understood now. Okay, Girish?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So we'll go to the next example. After date alphanumeric data. Let's open this. This is very interesting one. Let's see. Okay. So here earlier we have separate columns and some delimiters and all, but here alphanumeric means alphabets are there, numericals are there. Even though data is like this, we can extract the required data from this. Okay. So let's see this column from example. So I want extract only names. Okay. Then you can give here one. Then all names will be extracted like this. So if I want to extract cities, then give cities, and you will extract all cities. Okay, right? And if you want to extract final these characters 711 380, then you can try that 711 380 94 up to here it understood. Here it is not understanding because the length of characters are changed from here to here. Okay. So here again you have to supply 25. Then it has understood. Okay, Girish.
Yes, sir.
So if the data is alphanumerical also you can extract. So whatever complex data is there, you can extract. Okay. And for example, I want name and place. Okay. That also you can try. Pavan hyphen Mumbai. It's not understood. Then give again Vihan hyphen Chennai. It's not understood. Give Vijay hyphen Hyderabad. It's not understood. Okay. That means our pattern is not feasible to it. That's why it's our pattern is very complex to understand for Power BI. That's why it's not giving. Let's try this also. Sorry, it's not underscore. It's Prem Bangalore. No. No, it's not understanding because here there are characters, numbers, and again spaces, again characters, numbers, spaces, and here the length of the string is more. Okay, that's why it's not understanding. Let's try up to here, but it's not feasible to try this many. It's not uh, advisable to try this many times. 3 clicks, it should come. Then use Power BI column from example. Otherwise, you have to go for other things. So till here, we have to give the input. Then it understood. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we have given. Then it has understood. But generally, use column from example when it output comes from three three iterations. Okay. If it is more than that, then go for other logics. There are so many things. One thing can be done in many ways in Power BI, Power Query. Okay. So you can go for any other one, any other logic code or something. if you are giving the more iterations. Understood? So this is column from example, very interesting. Okay, hope you understand this. Girish,
Yes, sir.
so practice these things and come with doubts yesterday's class and today's class. And that
Yes,
assignment
sir.
also I have given, so nobody has done, I think.
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
Okay, so these two things you practice and come back. Okay,